It's my birthday and I've got a box to open. My bestie and I do a gift exchange, but it's a pre-loved gift exchange each year for birthdays and Christmases. We have a £20 budget and see what pre-loved gems we can get. And I have a box full of goodies to open. And I'm going to share this with you. I'm already recognising the paper. Now, if any of you have watched Joe's birthday exchange, which was just a few weeks ago, I used this paper for her, and I see she has recycled it and sent it back to me. So I wonder, can I recycle it another time? To be fair, it is good quality paper and very, very pretty. But are you as excited as me to open these gifts? Let's open the card first. If you're just joining me for the first time, normally I'm here about style and making midlife fabulous as I take you out and about Northern Ireland and also show you how to style yourself fabulous and dress in a funky manner, mostly using pre-loved clothes and things I have in my wardrobe. But today it's my birthday and today is all about the presents I'm really looking forward to. Isn't that beautiful? I really like that. Like a little bit of glitter, Joe. Oh, to my birthday soul sister. On your special day, I just wanted you to know how deeply loved and appreciated you are. Your kindness, strength and laughter and beautiful spirit brings so much light to the lives of everyone around you. Oh, Joe. I'm so grateful for our friendship, the memories we share and the way we lift each other through our season of life, through every season of life. May this next chapter bring you endless joy, peace, love, adventure and all the magic your soul deserves. Never forget how special you are and how brightly you shine. Happy birthday, gorgeous soul. May your day be as beautiful as your heart. With all my love, shine brightly, Joe. Well, that touches my heart. Joe definitely has a way with words. And as any of you who do watch her vlogs, you know. Thanks, Joe. Right, moving on. Before I get weepy or something. Several gifts to open. Let me see how many she got because this looks a lot for £20. Yeah, exactly, £20. See, we're at a time in our life, none of us really need anything, do we? Do you agree? And so we kind of came up with this idea so we would have the fun of hunting for the pre-loved treasures and also the fun of choosing for each other. Now, I find it quite difficult to shop for Joe sometimes. I have an idea what she'd like, but whenever it's pre-loved, it is a bit trickier. And I think 8 times out of 10, I might get it right, but there's always the getting it wrong. Joe hardly ever gets it wrong for me. So let's see. Actually, I am procrastinating. Let's get on. Oh, there's little notes of everything. A bonus present didn't fit me. Fingers crossed they fit you. Well, I'm going to leave the bonus present to the last. Let's see. Oh, I forgot I was trying to save the paper. Hold on, let's see if I can slide that out. 2 things in one, is that not cheating? Oh. Linen. Linen trousers that have that baggier leg, which I love the look of. Wow. Really like those, and these are, oh, she's got a tag on them. They're next petite, and she's bought me my 14, and she got those for $4.99. Well, that is true. I can't wait to try those on. Those are really nice. And this is a little stripy long sleeve top. It's, oh my goodness, it's from LK Bennett. And she has paid £4 for that. And it's a size medium. Isn't that nice, that little bow there at the front? That is really nice. So it's more like a lightweight knit rather than a t-shirt. Love the colours. Well done, Joe. Oh, are you going to wait for the try on later? Because I'm going to have to try these on. This little gift is a total of $5.99. Should have my glasses on. Okay, it's small. Oh, Jill, it's fairly well packaged up. How am I supposed to get into it? Okay. It's a little tiny bag. Oh. Hang on. Oh, there's so inside it. She's got all these little bits and pieces. Oh, they're little brooches. How did she get all this for $5.99? And a little like scarf clip. a little pair of dinky clip-on earrings, and this is like a little pendant for through a necklace. Oh, that's perfect. Actually, I have just the thing. In fact, that's really pretty. What a cool idea. Nice little bag. Lovely. I do like things like this. I do love my little accessories, and Joe knows it, and yeah. And I love that they've got like a little vintage feel to them. So well done, check. Another soft one. Oh, okay, so is there cats on it? Yes, there are cats. Oh, so a little sleeveless top, Savile Row. This was £4. So Joe, I think you're getting near to the end of your £20 already, because that was 8, 3 4 is 12, and then 17. And there's 3 packages left. So this is really pretty, and that will be lovely with my red dress that I got for holidays. The linen strappy one. I like to wear tops sometimes over the top or underneath, and this is like a perfect little layering piece like that. And lovely, nice cotton, and it's got like a little ruching detail here down on the stitching on the seam, so that's very pretty. I was thinking of wearing this open over your summer dresses. Oh, we do like layering items. Joe and I definitely like a little layering. Me more probably than Joe, because I'm always feeling a little bit cool. And with the weather we've been having this week in Northern Ireland, I have these extra layers. Oh, this is colourful. Let's see. Wow. So this feels like linen, and let's see. Have I got any material? I should have got my glasses. So this is M&S. It's a size 10. Must be oversized. And I will check. It's quite small, but it's definitely linen. And I can't see it. It's like a little bit blurred. I think I need my glasses changed. But the colours and that's so pretty, isn't it? And the blue dress I was wearing actually yesterday to work, or even my red dress, I could definitely see that as a little jacket, or that I would wear like a shacket over that. That was £4.75. So you've gone over your budget already, Joe. Because that was, we were at 17. But that is really pretty. You see the sleeves are rolled up, and you could have them down if you want it. Yeah. Like the colours, really like the colours. Yeah, let's see. Oh, there's more, and this is the colour I love. Oh, Joe, you went overboard. Oh, they're cuffed. Oh, wow. Oh my days, I'm loving that. So these are, I better put on my glasses. Hush. Wow, they are the loveliest fabric, kind of like that tencel fabric. That is beautiful. And look, the top, either it came with it or the top is made, basically made for it. Oh, that's lovely. It looks very oversized, but I'm sure I could tuck it in. Oh, this is Primark, £3.50. Okay, Joe, very naughty, you've gone over budget. But that size medium, looks massive, but I think it looks like it's kind of like an off the shoulder thing, and then I'll just tuck it in, and it has actually a nice silky feel to it. Let's see if it says what the fabric is here anywhere on it. Why are these labels always so blinking small? Even with glasses on, I cannot see. Yeah, that's one of those ones I'd have to take a photograph and enlarge it. What am I like? What am I like? Anyway, that the two that go, the fact that they go together is so nice, and I love the colour. Perfecto. Hopefully this one arrives in one piece. Right, my dear. And she's got this for £1.75. Happy Thoughts. But not only is there a cup, there's things inside it. Oh, I love that cup. I love that bright yellow inside it. And I love Happy Thoughts. Yes, Happy Thoughts is what we need. Got a lovely, oh, it might be a bolt. And that was £2.50. And that was, what's that? £1.25, maybe that was reduced to. Now that's very pretty, and that will go lovely with that. Well done, girl. That is lovely, and I like that. It's like you could double it over like that. Yes. Well done. Well, I feel thoroughly spoiled. That is just lovely. I don't know, is it a belt or what? I might have to speak to Joe about that. But that's lovely. Well, do you want to see this stuff on? Yeah, even I want to see the stuff on. So I'm going to try them on now and put them together, see what they look like, see if they fit, and yeah, give my verdict on which is my favourite, etc, etc. But they all look like things I would wear. So well done, Joe. I am very pleased and I'm feeling very, very spoiled. Thank you. I forgot about the bonus one. Oh, stripes. We like stripes. Oh, me likey. Oh, me likey a lot. Oh, there's like a little glittery thing through that, which is gorgeous. So these are Scotch and soda, raffia town, that's what they're called. Oh, they're beautiful and I hope they fit. They look lovely. Oh my goodness, I've got so many things to try on. Well, I like, yes, it's a bit big, but I'm going to tuck it in a second. Unfortunately, these beautiful trousers came to up over my hips just about, and there was about this much of a gap at the waist. And they are a size large, so I reckon they are actually more probably, when I look at them, I reckon they're probably more a size 10 to 12 for a size large. It's just a pity. Scotch and soda sizes usually aren't too bad, but in this case, definitely not right. Oh, that's a shame. They were so pretty. Just love it, you know, all the little touches and the little sparkliness, but they're not meant for me. What do we think of the trousers here? I really like them. And the top, I think if I just tuck that bit in and put a belt on, let's see. And this is the necklace. I think it could be used as a belt. I can't remember my words today. I think it could be used as a belt. But maybe go and get a belt. But I really, really like this. I think with a little jacket, I think I could wear this anywhere. Me like it. It's not bad, does it? Maybe just push one of the hems in here. So it's a little bit of illusion of waist. Yeah, now we've got it. Took me a little while getting there. Right, we're getting the thumbs up. I think she's did really well. So the little top is on. This is the little LK Bennett top. It is the softest fabric. It's really very pretty and I love this deeper blue on the edge. And then it's got this little bow here. Nice scoop neck. Right, the trousers. Well, they fit perfectly like they were made for me and there's loads of room in them, so there's a good bit of stretch, but they're very, very flattering. I like that they're like ankle grazers. They've got a nice seam down the front, very, very good quality linen. Have that denim sort of look to them, pockets. I like. And I think with a little blazer, maybe a little red blazer over the top of that, because I've just popped my little red pumps on, a little pop of colour. Isn't that really nice? So these fit perfectly and they are flattering and I like, and who doesn't like a little striped top? Nice little subtle stripes, lovely and lightweight, lovely. So Joe, yeah, you have done it again. I am pleased. Birthday girl is very happy. Okay, a few more tops to try on. Little shirts on. I think Joe's right. I think I definitely could see me wearing it over sundress and things because it's just pulling a little bit here, so it would be much nicer if it was left open. Excuse my bra. And more as a little shacket. But the colours in that are beautiful. Great little cover up. I'm just thinking when I'm away in Italy, it'll be lovely over my red or blue sundresses just to cover my shoulders and that in the heat. Perfect. Colours are wonderful, aren't they? Really, really pretty. I could wear a little vest top underneath, of course, and leave it open as well. But it's just pulling a little bit across my bust, which is very usual for me. That's where I find all my shirts sort of pull. But really like it. Okay, there's one more top to put on. Wow, that's really nice. It's actually even prettier on than I thought it would be. I love the fit of it, and it's fitting across the bust, which is good. And just the shape of it in general, there's just this little bit of puckering here which is just adding to it. Very, very nice indeed. And even nice with these trousers, don't you think? Yeah. impressed. You did great. This birthday girl is very happy. I think anyone would be who has got like so many nice things. My favourite, hands down, are these and these. So the 2 pairs of trousers are big win, big win. I love this little top because I think it goes with the trousers, and I love this stripe going down the way. It is very oversized, but I think I can make it work. And I'm very tempted to wear it to the office today. So yeah, with a blazer, just because I think it's really pretty. And see me wearing it with my little Vivaya pointed pumps. I'll keep her as well because I think it's just perfect for my summer dresses, and I definitely will wear it over them. You roll up the sleeves. Oh, yeah, definitely like a holiday type item, just because of the pattern maybe. Yeah, like it. This little LK Bennett top is beautiful. It just looks as if it needs a little bit of a wash around the neck area, but yeah, this is very, very pretty, and I can definitely see me wearing this many times as well. So yeah, the girl did good. I'm actually trying all this stuff on before I go to the office. So I'm going to put this outfit on for the office, let you see it, and then I really need to zip it. Okay, so I just gave Jo a quick ring there to tell her that she chose really well, and to show her what I wore with this top and trousers that she got me. I am thrilled to bits with it. I think the navy is fabulous with it. I did try on my cream striped blazer that I had from last year, but you know, me and cream don't really work anymore. So the darker shade with this all just works perfectly. Changed my mind from the Vivaya shoes and popped on my sandals. Yes, it's raining. But I'll not be out very far in it today. This Nepali bag, which is perfect with the trousers. Let me stand back for the reveal. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go. That is the first of my birthday outfits. Chose perfectly, and I think styling it with the navy was the way to go. Win-win. Right guys, I hope you've enjoyed me sharing my birthday gift opening with you. I have enjoyed doing it. They see the pre-love buying gifts for each other. It's such a great idea. And do let me know if it's something you do with some of your friends, because honestly, it makes sense, doesn't it? And it's so much fun. So I'd love to hear from you, and I hope you'll come back and see my next video. In the meantime, you guys keep on being your own kind of fabulous. Take care and God bless.